Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and hit thumbs up. For today, we're playing the game called Escape the Flood. Escape the Flood is actually a game that is so popular. It's basically has 3K people that liked it. And I haven't ever won before, so yeah. Sorry if you guys cannot hear me. Wait intermission in 12 more minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Because it's already full. I'm scared still because the last time I played this and I failed. Hey, somebody copied my outfit. Not cool at all. Just kidding. Uh-oh, how do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go? Go up here, maybe. Oh, no. Go down here. Oh, no. Go down there. Oh my gosh, how do you do this? Oh, no, I'm gonna die. Oh, oopsie. Sorry, guys. Oh, no. Okay, I died. That's what you do if you don't practice, because I haven't practiced. I'm not actually a great one at playing these, so yeah, I don't play this. So let's do the easy one. So if I put your hands where my eyes can see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. So I can be responsible. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. There's basically just two people, so maybe the intermission is. Oh yes. Yes. Is it on the this thing? Gotta drop down. Skip the faculty. Oh, where do I go? Okay, jump. Oh no, I don't know where to go. Jump. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I can't go up. Let's change the game, okay guys? Let's change the game, okay? Let's change the game. So I decided we should play Fliker. How many people are in this server? Okay, there's just a little, that's okay. So let's, oh no, close. Okay, we're playing the game called Fliker. Basically, Fliker is like a murder game. Okay, let's go inside. Whoa! Boom! We're inside now. So this game is basically more cool. I want a female girl. Where house? Alicia. Basically, there's twins, so I don't know which one. Oh, medic. I'm a medic! Oh! I'm finally one of them. So, wait, you guys. We can all stay together, 'cause sailing is fun. To go down. Sorry. I gotta go. This murder house is actually so scary. I hate my role. Oh, maybe he wanted to be like the murderer. He must be the murderer. I'm gonna murder to play. Please not me. Please not me. Please not me. Protect for that. I don't know who's gonna be the death. Okay, I'll just pick that one. I know that I'm still alive because I am. Oh, there's like a light over there. Alright, I gotta recount it. Okay, gotta recount it. So I'm back on. Okay, who died? Who died? Who died? Who died? Who died? Who died? Oh my gosh. Is it in here? No, it's not in here. We gotta go back out. It appears no one has that. That means. Oh, it's Charlie. I didn't click the right one. Oh, they went in. Oh no, it went in. There's a lot of people in here. Oh no, I'm so scared right now. Oh no, there's only one people dead. Oh my gosh, somebody did that, and I need to find out. No. This is my outfit. Basically, it's not that cool. I'm in my outfit right now. It's like an obby. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. I'm on the couch. There's like a clown picture over here. So scary, right? Oh, wow. That's totally uncool. That means somebody that said, I hate my, what is it called? Like, I hate my duty. And maybe it's because maybe because she was it. Oh, whoa. It can go in. Hello? Okay, I'm in. Oh, that was so glitchy. Oh no. Oh no. I am the only one here? Hello? Hello? There needs to be 15 people here. Oh no. Hello? I'm actually so scared right now because this game is actually can be like a murder game. So I'm scared. Oh, yeah. There's something in there. Oh. There was some scaring. Sharing is fun. We can all share together. Tayo, na 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 na. Hello, humans. What do you mean? I'm glitching. I'm actually stuck up here. I can see the. Oh. So we gotta be a female. Murder house, murder house. What? Leave. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Guys, it glitched on me, so I gotta restart. So it's okay, guys. At least I still can play. Okay. If you guys already know, you shouldn't like look at my screen of that like murder. I gotta go, hurry before it's too full. Ah! Hello. Put me in. Put me in. Put me in. Hey, put me in. Maybe in. Oh no, I can't go in. Oh wow. There you go. I did it. Oh, wait just a sec. Okay. Oh, my baby brother cousin is here. So, in 2, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? What 0 people? Oh yay! I did it. People, murder house. The murder house is actually the most scariest place. Okay, my name is Billy. If you guys saw that, because I was trying to. Oh, I'm the investigator. I'm the investigator. Oh, basically I have this like on the farm. Yeah, on the farm. Yeah. Ling Ling. I think Ling Ling is the murderer. Oh, thank you. The murderer wish you good luck. But you're supposed to be mean. Kimling, you're my twin. Who's my twin then? Hi, trick guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna stay where I am so he can see me basically. I'm gonna stay myself. Stay my step. Okay, I think it's Ling Ling, just like what I said in a couple minutes ago. So guys, the kitchen. I died. I'm the one I died. Oh, I'm the one that died. I'm the one that died. Yep, I'm the one that died. I can't see myself. So you're watching. Wait, something seems off. Wait, he knows that I was in the somebody was the murderer. Knows that I'm the investigator. They killed me. Oh wow, that's actually really smart. Bailey? Bailey! Stop on the floor? Oh my gosh. That's me. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's up to you guys. Sorry. Survivors vote correctly. They win. They haven't. The murder other night eliminated. What? What does that mean? It's time for the vote. Survivor will promise their whole back. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go and put my phone down. Give me this. Give me that. Give me that. Hi guys, this is my brother that is holding. Okay, done. Dari sambungin. Okay, trust me. Why do they need to just trust you, please? Tick, 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 tick. Okay, guys, this has been too boring. I've been waiting here for a couple minutes. Correct. The murder has been designed. It's a David. What? He's like, what? Yeah. Okay, basically I'm actually so scared because I already died on the floor. Vote for you. Wait, Ling Ling's ugly suspicious. Why is she there? You are not allowed to exit. Oh, that was right. That's right. Okay, we're back in the lobby. Close, by the way. So we're gonna play. Oh, somebody dressed up as like Mario Kart. Ah, yes, won him easily. I went so easily. That was so crazy. Okay, it's loading. Of course, that murder house. Okay, my name is Rosaline. Yes, come here. I'm the survivor, so I cannot do anything but only die. How do you go? Oh, okay. I was in the third room. Let me switch on the couch real quick. Oh, you can sit on it. Oh, because it's left by murders. I'm a twin. So basically, who's my twin? Basically. Wait. I was from this room, right? This room. So I'm gonna be killed. Wait, no, I didn't come from this room. This is a bedroom. That means I went in that room. Is from this room. Yeah. Oh, that means I'm gonna be murdered in this room. Something's gonna be murdered. I'm gonna be murdered in there. I gotta time to. No! Don't check light. Oh my gosh, it's 2 a.m. That's so scary, you guys. Time for the murder to play. I wish you can see my face, but you can't. I hope it's not me this time, because I hate being like a survivor. It's my dad. Ooh. Okay. Here. Okay. It's definitely not me. Oh, that's so cool. Up here, one has died. Oh, everybody went. Oh, it's somebody just said rip. Oh, it's on there. It's in here. Oh, who could have do that? Gotta say that rip too. R I P. Everybody's saying rip because it's so funny. Okay, I'm scared. I'm just gonna go. Gotta go to my room. They haven't lived another. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Hey guys, see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna just keep playing. Bye.